Matoska International Kindergarten first and second grade students are taking center stage at dress rehearsals this week ahead of their weekend performances of the Rainbow Fish at the Hannaford Performing Arts Center. Students are working hard to perfect their lines and group dances, all while having fun together. Go Bears!
Dr. Kastenchek hosted the middle school and high school student advisory groups this week. Students participated in a taste testing activity and then enjoyed a tour of White Bear Area High School, which is under construction to be finished in time to host the 9th through 12th grade this fall. Those who are interested in seeing the finished high school are invited to mark their calendar for an open house event from 3 to 6 p.m. on August 29th.
Student, staff, alumni, and community members came together this week to celebrate Sunrise at an event that offered student performances and info booths, Sunrise Park history displays, and an opportunity to share memories of Sunrise. Thank you to those who were able to join us for one last hurrah before the Sunrise community moves into the current South Campus building next fall. Go Bears!